what we really appreciate in this opportunity to work together was the fact that we put the farmers and their needs really at the heart of the idea of this project. And what we think we managed to do was to create a tool that is really more focused on experience than notions, more on concrete case studies, and in offering inspiration instead of teaching.
Because farmers, local producers, they're spending a lot of time to make the products, and they don't have so much time to think about price strategies and product developments, and they really need some tools which could help. And that's why also in this internet application we tried to create such tools, because then farmers in nighttime or in weekends, when they have time, they could look and learn something new.
This really allows young people, young farmers, actual or potential farmers, to get to know more about how you can improve the way you take your products to the market, which is definitely the key of all of our issues today. So marketing can be one of the solutions. It's surely one of the solutions.
We know that in agriculture sector it is important to add value to the products, and farmers often don't have enough skills. They know good how to produce products, but from the farm till consumer it's a long way.
It's a self-service tool which is available actually to all the people who would like to know more about it, to farmers of course, but also to young people who would like to explore business opportunity within the agricultural sector. And it's easy. You just need to click on www.farming.eu and you can access to a wide and huge library of case studies, tools, videos. And what's important is it's not just a training, it's an experience that anybody can live within the marketing world.